Good morning, ma'am. We are presenting our first legal review on the topic profit prediction using CNN model. Our table coordinators are Shilpa R N Mrs and Akshatha. Our guide is Shilpa R N Mrs. Let me introduce my team. Ashish Rao, Jayadeva M R myself, Dept and Rahul Arji. These are the contents we are going to present today. Now let's move on to the introduction. Let's now go to the introduction. We all know that agriculture is the basic need in India or overall the world. Then it is also risky, and some farmers do not know how to predict their needs, or they do not know how to predict their outcomes, or they will fail in predicting the like profit or something, the margins they get. So we will use CNN models, and we will take the live data from using sensors and all, and we will build a web-based platform so that they can predict their crop yields and their outcome and even their profits and margins. Now let's go on to the literature survey. In 2011, Lobel et al., a scientist, studied in Africa that historical yield analysis. He all put the yields history, like in this month, this year we got this much and all, like this much yield we got and all. Using the temperature and timing, he mainly performed the research on temperature and timing, and he gave a conclusion that climates and temperature are the most important factors which will play a role in crop productions. Then, in 2017, Engel et al., a scientist, he says that to the whole globe, saying that using soil also we can like predict the crops. We can predict the crop stage. We can predict the crop outcome and yield. In 2017, they did the same predictions using random forest tools, and in 2018 they went with meta regressions. In 2020 and 21 they are now going on with ML models and satellite monitoring for the review. Now let's go on to the problem statement and proposed solutions. Our problem statement is to predict the crop yield the farmer will get, or the space of margin or the type of margin he will get, and the profits he will get. First proposed solution, a crop yield prediction is a web-based platform. Ours is a website-based platform where the farmer will give us inputs like images, current weather analysis, and crop yield forecasting. Then how it addresses the problem is provides a real-time health solution detection using image-based ML models. Even it uses weather applications. It will use weather applications to take the current weather forecast data, and it will personally recommend like how to maintain the weather at all. The innovation and uniqueness from our product is image-based soil analysis. In now we can see that they take a soil to lab and all, they test it. So we will try it with a photo image, like using a photo we can predict what type of soil and how much of macro and micronutrients will be present. Then we will take the localized support, means we will use local peoples for their language barriers and all. Then this is scalable for both small and large scale products. The next slide will be presented by Ashish.
Thank you, Jayadeva. It was more informative. Let me walk through the technical approach and workflow. Before that, ma'am, I would like to ask you how the farmers will analyze which crop I should plant in upcoming days. How they will analyze, how they will think that I should plant tomato in this month, how I should plant cucumber in this month, how they will analyze it now, for of now.
Weather report
Yeah, but every farmer is not that technical oriented to see the weather reports and all. So they will go through traditional manners. Like their pardada and dadas will say them that in this month we should plant this crop only. In this month we should plant this crop only. Now, ma'am, we went to some farmers and we asked them what is the manner, what you will think before planting some crops. They said that we don't know anything. We just know that in this month we will plant this crop. Seasonal crops. Like in the month of September they will plant some potatoes and all. Like that. They said like that. So we thought that we can process it. We can process this in a website. In the AI world, every 1 year, everyone's job is going, ma'am. And every employee is thinking about let me go into farming or any other sectors like their own business as well. For them, they don't know anything about farming and all. For them, it is more useful, ma'am, our application. Here, the technical process is first the farmer will upload the soil image, and it will come to data pre-processing. The system cleans and prepares and the uploaded soil and weather data for analysis. For the further analysis, the photo will be pre-processed in this part, ma'am. In the next part, the soil image classification using CNN. Using CNN, we will after giving the crop image, it will automatically take. Like when we take the photos, in the photos only the geolocation of the main. The man is standing there. It will be recorded, ma'am. From that IP, we will analyze weather reports through upcoming data of NASA and all, and we will it will be processed there. In the next step, weather and crop data analysis, we will use ML model and we will analyze the crop data there. And next, crop yield prediction. After getting the which crop I should plant in this month, the farmer will give all that input data to our website, and it will predict the yield predictions in upcoming 5 years. How much yield you will get? Like for 1 acre you will get more than 3 quintals. Like this, it will predict, and from that prediction, even the farmer can also know how much profit I can make in the upcoming month, how much crop yield I will get. In this, if, for example, in the month of August, he will plant it, and in the month of September, he will sell it. He will first only he will know which crop is best for that month. After from that, he can get more profit. That is the main motto of our plan. After that, result will be displayed, like it will be displayed in the manner of graphs and also pie charts, so that it will be more helpful for the farmer. The next part. First, we will suggest which crop is suitable for the month. After that, he will input the data of weather and all, which will be given in the previous steps only, and he will take that and all, and he will go for prediction. Crop yield prediction in the fifth step. When he inputs that, he will come to know that in upcoming 5 months or 6 months, how much crop yield he will get and how much profit he can make from that.
If it is in loss, we will also suggest how
to overcome that. And in the result page, we are integrating some fertilizers names also. If the prediction comes like he will go in loss, or the crop some weather condition is not good, and the crop will go diseased, he can also put the fertilizers through the prediction also. Yeah, ma'am. The next part will be explained by my friend Ashish. Thank you, ma'am.
Now we come to feasibility challenges and strategies of our problem set, right? In this, our solution is feasible because we use openly available agriculture data sets and weather API keys for our model. And actually, our website can be deployed in any platform. What are the challenges we face? The challenge just we face while training our CNN model is that there are very limited amount of wages available for the soil types. Next is the weather, and as we all know that the weather patterns are unpredictable and it may affect our prediction. Lastly, we come to ensure farmer adoption. It means that we can build the model that ensure, but we cannot ensure that all the farmers can use it effectively. Lastly, strategies to overcome the challenges. First, collecting soil data sets using crowdsourcing and government data sets. Next one is using ML models with higher accuracy to make the predictions better. Lastly, we provide regional language support and training. And this, like our model can we give the options to change according to the regional languages, and there will be a training manual for operating it.
Even the farmer can speak with the agent also. I will let you know.
All the farmers explain.
I'm going to talk about impact and benefits. It is like farmers will receive like real-time analysis based on like IoT devices and up-to-date like weather forecasting using weather API keys, which help them to plan of their planting agriculture activities for more effectively, like based on weather, like for crops how many like water should we give or not, like next is like provide data protection. It is like based on our ML model, it will like prediction like how much yield will come based on like previous, it will upload previous yield as well. Based on that, like next time with less resources they can produce more crops. Next is like as Ashish told, like AI, the digital assistant for farmers, like using for rural people, like some people don't know like how to use more. This our website, and based on our AI agent will help to farmers to take the data, and agent will take the data and tell to farmer that this crop is suitable for this region and based on the weather condition. Next is like benefits. For social benefits is like farmer awareness. Like recently, like farmers will use like button phone. Now recently, before this, farmers will use button phone. Recently, farmers are using it digital phone. Based on our website, farmers will predict our agent predict crop how much yield it will give, and like we'll build a test with farmers practices, and we'll create a community driven platform for sharing knowledge, like one farmer to other farmers. Next is like economic benefits. It is like optimizing the resource usage for the fertilizer, seeds and irrigation. Based on the weather condition, we can save the cost for the farmers. And next is like accurate prediction. Based on our crop yield prediction, we can tell like which is like from less resources more farmers will get like more revenue. And next is like minimizing crop failure chances. Based on the IoT devices, IoT devices and weather API keys will tell that farmers like based on we can tell like weather is like unpredictable. Sometimes weather will get changes. So we can financial risk will reduce for the farmers. Next is like environment benefit. Based on like sustainable farming, we can use less chemicals, but we can use like traditional for based on like plants we can use like cow dung. Efficient water management. Based on like weather based initiatives, like we are using like API keys, like based on API keys, weather prediction analysis will tell like farmers to use for plants like less water. And next is like climate smart irrigation. Based on the weather API keys, will tell like farmers like which plant to be grown or not. And this is like research papers and reference report. This is our research paper topic.